In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho or just looking to streamline your contact management, this guide provides a clear and concise walkthrough of the process, ensuring successful contact importation. To get started, navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. This is the central hub where you can access all the essential features and modules of Zoho CRM. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Contacts tab, which is usually prominently displayed in the main navigation menu. This will take you to the Contact section where you can view, manage, and import your contact information. After entering the Contact section, look for the More Actions option. You'll typically find this in the toolbar or menu within the Contacts page. By clicking on More Actions, you will reveal a drop-down list of additional actions that can be performed on your contacts. From this menu, select Import Contacts. This option will lead you to the primary import interface where you can begin uploading your contact data. Next, click on Browse to locate the file containing your contacts on your device. Ensure that your contact file is formatted correctly, generally as a CSV or Excel file, as these are the most commonly accepted formats for import. Once you've selected your file, it's time to proceed by clicking Next. This action will start the file upload process and take you to the field mapping section. The next few steps involve clicking Next a couple more times. The first Next click takes you through an interface that allows you to confirm the data fields match between your file and Zoho CRM. It's crucial to review the field mapping here to ensure that all your data points are correctly aligned. Improper alignment might lead to information being misplaced or not imported at all. After verifying the mappings, proceed with another Next click. Before completing the process, it's important to acknowledge the anti-spam policy. This is a standard procedure to ensure compliance with email and data policies. Simply check the anti-spam policy checkbox, signifying that your data and its intended use comply with ethical guidelines and policies set forth by Zoho. Finally, to conclude the import process, click on Finish. This action completes the contact importation and integrates your data into the Zoho CRM system. Now your contacts should be available within your CRM, ready for use in your marketing strategies, sales initiatives, or any other CRM activities you have planned. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless integration of your contacts into Zoho CRM. This efficient process not only saves time but also enhances the accuracy and effectiveness of your contact management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in improving your use of Zoho CRM.